You say you want to get fit, but you keep scrolling and passing your videos. Now what you don't understand is fitness is copy and paste, copy and paste. When I'm doing the workout, I'm showing you. Someone complained that I'm not talking. I'm not explaining the procedures. And I care about everybody watching me. I care about those who follow me, those who don't know me. Even those who just watch and pass. I care about you all. Someone commented I should talk more rather than do the actions. Doing the actions is more important than just talking. Jamie and GTP, all of them will give you the machinery. You copy from there, you paste. You use it for your professional perspective careers. When it comes to fitness, you don't want to copy and paste. Whatever I'm doing, to show you what you need to do, you're going to copy and paste. Maybe this person that I'll get a tripod which I put in, and I'll get myself a Bluetooth microphone which I have received today. So you'll be watching me now, talking, camera, when I have time, I'll give you free materials, free actions to copy and paste, just like you copy from ChatGPT, just like you copy from Copilot, just like you copy from Gemini. I had no personal trainer, I had nobody telling me, go again. No, that's it, I had nobody telling me those things. I did copy and paste. I followed the influencers that did a lot of fitness, high intensity workouts. High intensity workouts I copied. I did not kill myself. I did not compare them with their careers. I did not do ego lifting. I follow correct form, which is more important. I did fitness is a nutrition lifestyle. You're talking on camera, but the problem is you're getting ions, you're getting noise. Hopefully you get to follow. But I'll be doing this when I have time. So this is for that person who reached out to me several times and talking on camera. I'll be explaining my workouts. I may not do regularly as you want or you expect. But from time to time, you'll see me talking, explaining, nothing. You do the copy and paste. I want to see you copy, I want to see you starting. Let's go for it.